This is a quick video to show you how to validate or sign up for Fusion 360. It's a 1-year educational license. It's a free license. The first thing you need to find is a school issued letter, which is on the school portal page. If you can download that and open it up, there's some details here that you need to be very careful about filling out. You need to write your full name as it appears on the school system. You need to write your name again there, today's date, your birth date, and your email address. So just update the first part of your email address. Once you get to that, you need to save it as a PDF. So file, save as, and change this one to PDF, and save it somewhere where you know you can access it. The next thing you need to do is go Google Fusion 360 Education. You should get this website come up, so fusion.com edu software. Click that one, and it should come up like this. Now, I'm not signed in up here. Actually, it's just signing me in automatically. I've been in here this morning. But when you get to this page, it says to unlock the educational access for Autodesk, which is the manufacturer or the software developer for Fusion. Here, if you have already got an account, you can click sign in. If you have not got an educational account already, get started. So I'm going to sign in. Mine will log in straight away because I've just saved my details to save time. Once you've logged in, it should recognize who you are. That's if you have got an account already. So it says my name there, and it will tell me when my product is available until. So I've got a few until close to the end of the year for this one. If you've got through that process, that's fantastic. At this screen, it might say that it needs a few more details. If it tells you that you need more details and you don't have a current access, click on the link and upload that document, the PDF that I showed you just before. So give that a go. Hopefully that will link through, so once you've uploaded that document, you'll have access to what is below straight away. So you'll be an individual. You don't need to click that. All you need to do is scroll down from where your name is, and you'll see a list of products. So these are all the products that Autodesk produce. The one we're going to be using is Fusion 360. So click Get Product. It might say Access there too. So now it's scrolled through to Access for me. Click Access, and then watch down in the bottom corner of my screen. It will start a download. So here it is down here. This download is not the actual program, it's just the client or a program file which starts the download. So you only want to open this once. So once that's finished, click Open. I'm not going to do it because that might update my Fusion, which I don't want to do at the moment, but click Open, wait a few minutes, and you should see a proper download, which will take 5 minutes or so to download the program. Once your program's downloaded, it should create a desktop icon, or you can check in your browse here, type of Fusion, and in your search bar, and it should come up. So double click that one, and it should open up. It might take a little while for the first time you open it, and then when you have got Fusion open, it should say educational license across the top of the screen. So I'll show you what that looks like. So my Fusion's open now. It says educational license up here. If you've got a activate now or trial period expired, an orange button in this right hand corner, you might have to go back to the Autodesk website. If you go to Product, Start Trial, it'll take you back to that first page, Unlock Student Access. So it comes back to this page where we Googled to start with. It's recognised it's me. If not, you can sign in at this stage with the same details and follow through the process to upload that document.